I'm sitting in a 2011 Ford Fiesta. We're going to do a clear prox and show it to proxes. Our learning area is right there by the column. There's our proxes. So let's get started. Ford Fiesta key coding 11 prox. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a clear. Yes. Conditions off. Okay. Now we can't switch ignition on, we just have to hit enter because the keys are erased at the moment. Would I like to run the program keys? Yes. We'll do 2. Okay. There's our little spot next to the column. We're going to do 1 at a time. Here we go. Okay. Press unlock. 1. Let go. All right. Next key in my hand, right here. Okay, we're going to hold it next to it. Okay, you can see I've held it. We'll hold it right up next to there. Take it away. Hit OK. Unlock. Let go. Okay, both of them work. There we go. 2-2. We'll go ahead and unhook it from the OBD2. There's our start button. And it starts up. Everything is good.